हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू माय वंडरफुल किड्स। कैसे हैं आप? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। वंस अगेन योर स्मिता मैम here to you with Gokuldas Public School online classes, and today is math subject period. Okay, which subject period today? Math subject period. Okay, and what we learn today? We learn the concept of big and small. Which concept we learn today? The concept of big and small. Okay, all of you ready? Yes, very good. Now students, first you tell me, we had already learned the shapes. Which shapes we had learned? हमने इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में शेप्स पढ़े थे, मैथ्स के वीडियो में, है ना। तो हमने कौन से शेप्स लर्न किए थे, कौन से शेप्स सीखे थे? द फर्स्ट शेप इज सर्कल, वेरी गुड। एंड अनदर शेप इज ट्रायंगल, वेरी गुड। नाउ सी हियर, दिस इज अ सर्कल और ट्रायंगल। Circle, very good. And our next shape is triangle. Yes, this is a triangle, triangle shape and circle shape. Dear kids, repeat and repeat again and again. Repeat and repeat. Once again. Circle. Which shape is this? Circle. Circle. Yes. Circle. This shape is circle. Which shape is this? Circle shape. And which shape is this? This is a triangle. Yes, this is a triangle. Very good. This shape is triangle shape. I hope you learn about circle and triangle shape. Okay. Now we learn today the concept of big and small. What we learn today? The concept of big and small. And you know which is big? Big means बड़ा। बिग मीन्स बड़ा, जो बहुत बड़ा होता है उसे हम कहते हैं बिग। एंड स्मॉल मीन्स छोटा। स्मॉल मीन्स छोटा। नाउ यू सी, आई शो यू सम ऑब्जेक्ट, है ना। मैं आपको कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स बताऊंगी। तो सबसे पहले आपको ये पहचानना है कि बिग, आपको पहले ये लर्न करना है कि बिग मीन्स बड़ा। अगेन, बिग, बिग, बिग मीन्स बड़ा। नाउ यू सी हियर, दिस इज अ बॉल। बॉल, which shapes ball? What is the shape of the ball? Circle. Very good. And the ball, this ball is big ball. Big ball. See here, this ball is big ball. Big ball. And now you see here, this is also ball. Okay, see here, this is also ball na. This is ball and this is also ball, but this ball is small. Very good. This ball is small means ये छोटी है। See here, this ball and this ball, ये दोनों बॉल है, लेकिन ये कैसी बॉल है? बड़ी बॉल है, बिग बॉल है। बड़ी नहीं कहेंगे, अब हम इसे क्या कहेंगे? बिग, बिग बॉल। ओके, दिस इज अ बिग बॉल एंड दिस इज अ स्मॉल बॉल। दिस शेप इज ऑल्सो सर्कल एंड दिस शेप इज ऑल्सो सर्कल, है ना। ये भी सर्कल शेप की है और ये भी सर्कल शेप से है, लेकिन ये कैसी है? बिग बॉल। एंड दिस इज small ball. Big ball and small ball. Big ball. स्मॉल बॉल है तो थ्रो करके बोलिए स्मॉल स्मॉल स्मॉल। ओके, और अगर बॉल नहीं है तो भी कोई बात नहीं, मैम के साथ बोलिए बिग बॉल बिग बॉल बिग बॉल एंड स्मॉल बॉल स्मॉल बॉल small ball. Okay, so here this is a ball and this is also ball, but this ball is big ball and this ball is small ball. And now our second object. Oh, you see here. Oh, doggy. Yes. Boo boo. Now this is a doggy. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog. This is a big dog. Bow, bow. Big dog. Okay. And this one, small dog. Puppy. Small dog. Puppy. Big dog and small dog. Big dog. Small dog. Big means बड़ा डॉगी, ये बड़ा डॉगी है ना। See here, big dog, big dog. Okay, this is a big dog. Its tail also big. Okay, and this is a small dog, small doggy. Puppy, puppy होते ना छोटे छोटे से, puppy. Small dog, small dog, big dog, small dog. Now you compare, see here. This is a big and this is a small. Big dog. Repeat after me. Big, big. This is a big, big dog. Small dog, big dog, small dog, big dog, small dog. Big dog, small dog. Now second thing. See here. Circles. This is a big ring. Ring. This is a ring. Big ring. Small ring. Big ring. Small ring. Big ring. Small ring. Okay. Once again. Big ring. Small ring. Big ring. Small ring. Okay. जैसे big ball. Small ball. Big dog, small dog. Big ring, small ring. Big ring, small ring. Okay. Once again repeat. Big ring, small ring. Big ring, small ring. Okay. Now next. Oh, what is this? This is a doll. Big doll. Yes. And this one is small. This one is small teddy. Small teddy. Okay, see here. Big doll. Big doll. This is a big doll. Oh, very big. Big doll. Big doll. You have a doll? आपके पास doll है? Yes or no? Yes. Big or small doll? You have a big doll or a small doll? Big doll or small doll? Small doll? Okay. This is a big doll. This is a big doll. Say big. This is a big doll. This is a big doll. And this is a small teddy. Small teddy, chotu chotu. Small this is a small teddy. Say small teddy. Small teddy. See here small. Yay. Small teddy. Small teddy. Okay. Small teddy. And big doll. Oh, big doll. Okay. This is a big doll. And this is a small doll. Small teddy. Okay. And you have a chair at your home. You have a chair at your home. This is a big chair. See here. This is a big chair. Big chair. Okay. And this is a small chair. Small chair. Okay. This one big chair. And this one small chair. है ना? You are a small one. You are a small. And your mama and your papa and your dadu, dadi. These are big person. Okay. वो हमसे बड़े हैं ना? This one big person. And you are a small. You are a small. आप छोटे हो ना? You use small chair or big chair? You use small chair ना? आप छोटी chair पे बैठते हो ना? So you are a small. And your mama, papa, dada, dadi, okay, uncle, auntie, they are using big chair. So these person are big. Yes, this chair is big chair. Big chair. Yes. And this is a small chair. Small chair. Okay. This is a small chair. Now you learn what is big and what is small. Once again we repeat. Okay. See here. Big ball. Repeat after me. Big ball. Small ball. Big ball. Small ball. Big dog, small dog. Big dog, small dog. Big dog, small dog. Big means bada. Big means bada. And small means chota. So see here, big dog and small dog. Big dog and small dog. ये बड़ा डॉगी है और ये छोटू है ना? Small dog and big doll. Big doll. Small teddy bear. Big doll. Small teddy bear. है ना? Doll कैसी है? Big. And this the teddy bear is a small. ये छोटू सा है, छोटा है. Big and small. Big and small. Okay. And see here. Big ring. Big ring and small ring. Big ring and small ring. Big ring and small ring. And see here, this shape, big shape, big picture and small picture. Big picture and small picture. This, see here, this shape is big. ये जो shape है यहाँ, ये कैसे है? Big. Our question is, color the big tree. Okay. Here, two trees are here. Okay. Now you also make two trees in your maths notebook. This is your activity work. Okay. So please do this work in your maths notebook. Take a help of your mama. Okay. Make a tree like this. Okay. This is a tree. This is a big tree. Okay. Big tree. And here, more tree. But this is a small tree. Okay. But this is a small tree. So what we do? What we do? The question is, color the big tree. The question is, color the big tree. हमें क्या करना है? Big tree को कलर करना है. So first you identify which tree is a big tree. This tree is a big tree or this tree is a big tree? This is big tree. No. This is a big tree. Okay. So we do color on them. Okay. इसमें हमें कलर करना है. See here. You also do color. Put color like this. Okay. This is your activity. Okay. Put color on a tree. In a tree, sorry. Like this. Very good. Okay. Do this work in your maths notebook. And take a picture and send to me. Okay. आपको क्या करना है? आपको ऐसे ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है और ये जो एक्टिविटी है आपको ही मैथ्स नोटबुक में करना है और एक अच्छा सा फोटो लेकर मैम को सेंड करना है. ओके. Why we put color in a big tree? Because the question is color the big tree. क्वेश्चन क्या है कि हमें किसे कलर करना है? बिग ट्री को. सो फर्स्ट वी आइडेंटिफाई विच इज द बिग ट्री. दिस इज अ बिग ट्री. बिग मीन्स बड़ा. बड़ा ट्री कौन सा है? सो दिस वन इज बिग ट्री. वी पुट कलर ऑन बिग ट्री. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. ओके किड्स. सो डू दिस वर्क इन योर मैथ्स नोटबुक एंड टेक अ पिक्चर एंड सेंड टू me. Okay. Thank you so much.